DominanRise Reviews. Tools, products, and professional support. A useful financial platform should combine accessible tools, clear information, and dependable support. DominanRise presents a structured environment created for users who want to explore financial markets while building their knowledge over time. According to the platform information, users can access more than 300 products through one digital experience. This variety can help users study different areas of the market instead of focusing on only one instrument. A broader view may include currencies, equities, commodities, and other financial categories, depending on current platform availability. One of the main themes found in DominanRise Reviews is clarity. The platform aims to explain how financial news, economic data, and political developments can influence market direction. This educational approach can help users create a more organized research process. DominanRise also promotes careful risk management and consistent learning. The platform encourages users to build knowledge gradually, remain disciplined, and avoid treating financial markets as a source of guaranteed results. Customer support is another important part of the experience. DominanRise states that assistance is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This can be useful for users who need guidance with platform features, account questions, or available resources.